Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am using for the first time my This Little Piggy signature color, which is called Wild Atlantic. And I'll show you, I have it mixed up already. Don't mind my gloves, I like to reuse them. So this color is such a me color, I love it. Alright, so first time using this. Thank you, TLP. I'm delighted with my signature color. It's absolutely gorgeous. This will be released October 13th, along with 12 other colors. Okay, so don't mind this. I was playing with some really runny, thin acrylics and just kind of blowing them around. It turned out, it was kind of fun, but I let it dry and I'm going to re-pour over this. So, I go over the colors. Wild Atlantic, yay! I have This Little Piggy Brulee, which is like a copper shift, an interference copper. And this is my lovely self-mix color that you guys see me use all the time. And I mix this with primaries. So primary cyan, primary magenta, small bit of primary yellow, and then black to deepen it. This is Titanium Buff Light, mixed with just a dash of my self-mix color. And I got this gorgeous color. Okay, so I'm just going to throw some paint down. It's going to be kind of a split base. I'm going to let it dry, and then I will probably go back in and pipe some modeling paste around the edges of my blowout when it's completely dry. I'm going to start with, of course, my favorite color. Okay. So we're going to go, just going to throw down, just kind of go with it, okay? And don't worry about the bubbles. I'll pop those with my hairdryer. And throw down some of this mint. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to blow this around a bit. I'll just leave those caps off because I'm sure I'll be using more. Just to kind of spread my base and make my composition for the split base. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more. I don't know if you guys have heard, but Sheleeart Boutique is coming to Europe, and I will be one of the guest artists. And the location will be released soon, so keep your eye out. I'll actually link down their Facebook page for Sheleeart Boutique in the description box, so you can go and follow them. And just to get the updates. But yeah, it's going to be released soon, and it's going to be epic, and I can't wait. Cannot wait until it happens. And it is happening, so keep your eyes out for those dates and location. let's get to the fun. Okay, so these colors are absolutely gorgeous together. One thing I like doing is when I'm doing split bases is, you know, I have my original color and then I like to tint some titanium white or some titanium buff with the same color as the other split, if you know what I mean. The colors just marry together really well, and it really just takes your color palette to the next level, in my opinion. Alright, so let's put the caps back on this just in case I want to use a bead or two of this. And I'm going to do like a continuous blowout, so we're going to start in the middle and then blow out this way, and then we'll come this way. Give my piggies a little shake. And what do I want to play with first? Let's get a little bit more of this here. Let's go down with Wild Atlantic, the first time using it. Absolutely adore this color. It's just such a me color, and I'm absolutely delighted that This Little Piggy had made that my signature color. I'm just delighted. Absolutely thrilled. And we'll go in with some brulee. Do like a little squiggle. This is a cool color. It really pops. You know, it looks white, but then when it dries and when the light hits it, it goes to this like copper. And we'll put in some of this here. And just go have fun and make squiggles. And I'll throw down a little bit more of my favorite. Use some at the edge. Okay. And now we're going to blow it out. And again, I'm going to do this like kind of continuous. And we'll see what happens. Some pop the air bubbles. And then I'm just going to wait for this. Oh, the cells. Oh, I love my mix. If you guys want to know how I mix my paints, there's you could read about it in the description. I do have an older mixing video. Okay, let's do this other section while this is developing. And let's see. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go. Okay. I really like that continuous blow. I think, look at the cells developing. Let me show you guys. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I like the continuous blow. I think it's really good for beginners rather than the stop and go. For beginners, I really recommend just doing a continuous blow. So you hold it high and then you go slow, and as soon as the paint starts rippling, don't panic, just start pushing the paint where you want it to go, and then just go really slow. And again, don't panic, because I see so many people start to panic when they see the paint moving, and then they're like shh, and it's a mess. Mixes your paints, blows everything everywhere. You don't really get to control your composition or your blowout. This is absolutely stunning. I love it. I'm going to touch up my sides, scrape the drips. I'm not even going to mess with it. I don't know. I actually don't mind this bit. I like it. I'm going to leave it, and then again, when this dries, I'm going to come in and pipe some modeling paste around the edges. So if I'm not happy with this, I'll kind of cover it up. But we'll go around. Oh my gosh, absolutely love it. I'll bring you in for a close-up with the flash on so you can see Wild Atlantic. Absolutely love it. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I've touched up my edges. Don't mind the running water. We're refilling our koi pond. Yes, this is just absolutely stunning. I love it. And I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm probably, like I said, gonna pipe the edges. Like you've seen me do in my previous video, I think it was. So really quick flyover, and then we'll do a flash on. So you can see my color, Wild Atlantic, even though you can see it right there. Absolutely love it. Delighted. Okay, flash on. Be right back. Okay, so let's go in for the flash. And you can see all the shimmer. There's Wild Atlantic right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And the brulee, check this out. It's just absolutely stunning. It looks fabulous when it's dry. Alright guys, I'm going to do a bonus pour, so stick around. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have a little 12 by 12. I have it on my Molly stands. And I just wanted to do like a classic kind of blowout, blow over and then blow out Dutch pour with those same colors. I just have to decide how I want to do it. How about, let's kind of try to do like another split. Be a cute little side piece for the painting that I just did. So again, let's start off with my little self mix, and just gonna pull and then blow. Okay. Okay, keep some of that. This will probably look cute with a floating frame as well. If it turns out, that is. Now I'm just going to kind of blow this around. Same concept. Oh, that cap's off. See, that was a close one. That's all twisted on. And let's get some of the brulee. And a little there we go. Fun. Okay. And now I'm going to actually take the rest of this. I'm going to pour it around. We're going to blow it over and then blow it out. God, it's been ages since I've done one of these. Alright. Pop the air bubbles with my hairdryer. Well, that was kind of crazy. I didn't really follow through with I should have blown it all the way out, all the way down to this edge and then blown out, but it's really pretty. The colors are gorgeous. That Wild Atlantic really just pops with the color palette. I'm absolutely delighted with that color. I love it. Clean up the edges and I'll bring you guys in really quick for a close-up and then we'll call it a day. Okay, you guys, so here we have it. That was fun. Absolutely love doing that. Just a small 12 by 12. Look really cute with the little floating frame. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.